Welcome to AORUS 101. In 2024, Gigabyte introduced an impressive lineup of gaming OLED monitors. But have you ever wondered about the logic behind those seemingly complex model numbers? There's actually a well-thought-out system hidden within them. Today we are going to uncover this secret and explain how these models are named. Once you understand the logic, selecting the perfect monitor for your needs will be much easier. Let's start with this year's top model, the FO32U2P. F stands for flat, indicating it's a flat monitor. If the model starts with a C, that means it's a curved monitor. O stands for OLED panel, which offers better contrast and faster response times. 32 is straightforward, it's the monitor size in inches. U means UHD resolution, commonly known as 4K. 2 tells us that this monitor has an impressive 240 Hz refresh rate. The final letter P denotes that it's an enhanced version with the advanced DP 2.1 and daisy chain feature. Now that we've got a handle on the AORUS series naming rules, let's take a look at how Gigabyte gaming monitors are named. Gigabyte monitors are divided into a few main series. M series, multifunctional with KVM. G series, focused on gaming. GS series, budget-friendly options. They all follow a similar naming logic. Let's use the M series MO34WQC2 as an example. M tells us it's from the M series. O signifies an OLED panel. It's worth noting that if there's no special mark, it usually means an IPS panel is used. For curved monitors, VA panels are often used. 34 simply denotes it's 34 inches in size. WQ stands for ultra-wide QHD resolution. C indicates a curved design. The final 2 means it has a high 240 Hz refresh rate. Sometimes you'll notice different letters at the end of the model number. For example, in M27QA and FI27QX, the A and X both indicate advanced versions, similar to the P and FO32U2P we saw earlier. Also, if there's a space after the model number, it signifies it's a special version. For instance, M32U AE. AE stands for ARM Edition, which means this model comes with an ARM stand. Another example is M27QA ICE. ICE means it's a white version. These additional letters after the spaces provide more details about the monitor's special features, helping you to make an informed choice based on your specific needs. That's it for our quick guide on decoding monitor specs from model numbers. We hope this helps you choose a Gigabyte gaming monitor with ease. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Until next time, keep tuning in, and as always, team up, fight on.